So you're thinking about moving to the Des Moines area. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at 3 different houses, 3 different price points. They're all going to be new construction homes. And so anyway, let's get into that right now. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Des Moines area, well, then you're going to want to tap subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market conditions in the Des Moines area. My name is Andre. I'm with the Des Moines, Iowa real estate team, and we get calls from people like you every day. So whether you move in 9 days or 9 months, give me a call. My contact information will be in the description. Be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area. I'm here at Johnston High School, which is going to be a couple of miles away from the area that I'm going to show you today. So anyway, it's a beautiful spring day. It's been, it's 60, 65 degrees right now. I got a long sleeve shirt on. I think I'm going to get a little hot. It's a beautiful day. Look at all the spring flowers and trees blooming. Anyway, let's go look at some houses. All right, in this neighborhood, we're on the north side of Johnston. So you're close to the high school. You got elementary schools, 4 of them within 3 miles of here. You know, grocery stores are nearby, even some little medical clinics and restaurants and all that stuff right there in that Grimes area, which is only about 5 to 7 minute drive from here. Great location over here. Obviously, a new construction neighborhood. You can see all the construction happening right over there. And all these lots around me are for sale. This house is one of the first ones they built. Anyway, this house is $449,990. It's got 1,500 square feet above the grade, and then another 686 square feet in the finished basement. It's 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are walking into this one. They've got really nice LVP floors. I like the colors they chose. You walk into the living room area. Big, huge picture window right there. Really nice. And you've got a nice little kitchen with the stone on the island and the sink in the island. You can probably, definitely fit 3 bar stools there to feed the kids in the morning, breakfast before they go to school. So here is nice pantry, and now let's go take a look at the deck. Covered deck, and the pond doesn't look very good right now, but I'm assuming they're going to fill it up really soon. A nice walk-in trail right all around the pond, so I think that's a huge positive for this house. I love covered decks, and so I could definitely see myself barbecuing and maybe enjoying, maybe some coffee in the morning. Enjoy the view of the pond right there. Electric fireplace, a little stone accent around the fireplace. Nice little extra there. Here is the primary bedroom, and I really like it. The tray ceiling gives it a nice open look and a bigger feel. You could fit a king-size bed going this way right here. That's obviously how they've got it set up, with plenty of room on both sides for your nightstands. Double vanity, nice little tiled shower there, and then you got the walk-in closet. So nice use of space. And let's go take a look. They've got 2 more bedrooms up here. So here is one of the bedrooms. Here is the shared bathroom for these 2 bedrooms, and then here is the view in the front. This is the front of the house. Nice bedroom here. Let's go take a look at the garage. Here's a little drop zone in the utility room right here, or laundry room, I should say. The garage is a 3-car garage, and then they've got a little extra space over there. Let's go take a look downstairs. So this is not a whole lot of square feet, but you could easily put another living room here or an entertainment room where you're going to have your TV in here. My choice would be, this is kind of, I say this all the time, but this would be perfect for a teenager because they have this one bedroom right here, nice little walk-in closet, so pretty good size, and they've got their own bathroom right there, and their own living space. So they can be separate from you, you can be separate from them, everybody's happy. So there you go. That's this house. It's a great buy in a great area. All right, we're here at this neighborhood. This is the far north side of Johnston, but still you have, Aldi and Walmart and Hy-Vee only a couple of miles away with quite a few restaurants right there in that same area, right there in Grimes. So, and you're about 15 minutes away from Jester Park. Jester Park is a great park, and then you got a 15-minute drive, approximately, a little less than that, to some boat access on Sailorville Lake. So, even though you're pretty far out here, you're 25-minute drive from downtown Des Moines, you still got a lot of conveniences. As you can see, you might even be able to hear, they're building lots of houses over here. That may be a negative in this area. You might have to put up with a lot of construction. You can see on the other side of the street over there, the houses are all built, but I just passed. I'm sure you saw it in the background. Those two houses being constructed. So you buy this house, you got to put up with a little bit of construction, but that's pretty normal for buying new construction homes. You have to put up with a little bit, but you get a new home. So anyway, this house here is $664,900. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's got 1,921 square feet above grade, and then another 1,189 square feet in the finished basement. So, great house. Let's go take a look. All right, walking into this one, you got a great view right here. It's a nice entryway, and it's quite cozy right here in the living room. You got these great windows with this fantastic view of the pond. Really, really nice view there. You got the stone fireplace here with the nice shelves on each side. I love the colors they chose for the shelves, and it just really is nice. And the shelves over there match the cabinets in the kitchen. Feels really cozy. They've got that great big fan up there. I love those. Nice touches in the kitchen. I really like the pantry right here. It's not a huge pantry, but I find you don't really need a whole lot. In our house, we just have like a little cabinet, and it's plenty. Well, it's a large cabinet. Great looking shelves in here. Cabinets. You got the soft close with the soft close drawers, gas stove, nice size island. They got room for 4 sitting at the island. You got a nice stone island right here, and room for a pretty big dining room table. They've got it set up right now for 6. And I really like the stone. I know I mentioned it already, but it matches the stone that is outside in the front. Really nice. So they got LVP floors. Really like the color they chose. And here is the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom is awesome. Great size, and look at these windows and the view. Wow. Really nice. I love the design of this house. I think they did a really, really good job taking advantage of the space they have. You got a soaker tub here, double vanity, and check out this shower. And the tile work. It looks like wood. I love wood. Anyway. They've got two shower heads in there. Nice. This is the throne room right there. And then a nice walk-in closet with some great shelving. I love it when they put the nice shelving in the closets. This is the laundry room, which is attached to the closet. Great functionality for that. And then this is a really nice drop zone area for when you're coming in from the garage. Here we go. We're going to go take a look at the garage. It's a 3-car garage. And I want to show you this space over here. Look what they did. They put a nice picture window right there and really nice lighting. I could see myself right here with a workshop looking out on that great view right there, doing some fun work, woodwork, something like that. I think that's pretty cool. And they've got 2 more bedrooms up here. Let's go take a look. This front bedroom has there's so much light coming into this bedroom. And I think it's just the right size. You got a double vanity here and kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom with this other bedroom. There's the shower. And then you've got this nice shelf area right here. And again, this other bedroom has plenty of light coming in. And here is the half bath. Nice tile work on the floor. Let's go take a look downstairs. This, again, I think they've done a great job using the space wisely. This is a nice bar area with room for a full-size refrigerator. So you could easily use it as a kitchen if you're, put the teenagers down here, let them have a kitchen down here. There's no dishwasher, I guess, and the kitchen sink might not be big enough to wash dishes, but they could bring their dishes back upstairs, I guess. And here's a bedroom, one of the bedrooms down here. They've got walk-in closets down here for the bedrooms. Here's the shared bathroom with a double vanity. And here is the other bedroom right here. Again, nice walk-in closet. Great house. Mostly carpet down here in the basement. And they've got stone everywhere. I didn't mention it, but even in the laundry room, they've got stone countertops, and then they've got stone countertops here too. A lot of nice extras in this house. It's a really nice house. They've got a sprinkler system going right now, watering their brand new sodded lawn. So anyway, lots of nice extras in this house. So anyway, if you're thinking of moving to this area, give me a call. My contact information will be in the description. I'd love to help you. So we're in the same neighborhood with this one. We're on the north side of Johnston, like I said before, but you're really close to Grimes. And so you're 10 minutes away from the Grimesplex. If you've got kids and they're involved in sports, you're going to spend a lot of time at the Grimesplex. They've got some really great baseball fields there, turf fields everywhere. It's a really nice complex. There are 4 elementary schools within 3 miles of here. The high school is only 2 miles away. Lots of conveniences in this area. I guess the only thing that's not very convenient is you're 25 miles away from downtown. So if you are going to go and try to go to the downtown farmers market, which I highly suggest, you would you'd have a 25-minute drive. Not too bad. Depending on where you work, you probably have about a 20-minute commute to work. This house we're going to take a look at is $720,000. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's got 1,980 square feet above grade, and then another 1,660 in the finished basement. Let's go take it. All right, walking into this one, you got a nice double door entry and really nice lighting right there as you walk in. When you walk into this place, you're really struck by the view. They've got a fantastic view. This field is probably going to stay like this for quite a while. I think it's a military reservation, so I'm not sure what that means, but I don't think they're going to be building anything right there. So the view is going to stay like this. Really, really nice. You got the electric fireplace over there. Nice accents on the wall. They're not completely finished with this house. You'll see as I walk around, but they've done most everything. Some great, this great stone island right here. You can easily fit 4 people right there to feed the kids breakfast in the mornings. These picture windows, check out this view. We're going to go walk out on the deck in a minute and I'll show you that too. But these picture windows in the dining area, just gorgeous. And here, let's walk up there. Really nice, huge sliding door right here to this wonderful covered deck. Check out the view. Just beautiful. Really, really nice. No, can't say much about that. I think you would enjoy barbecuing on that deck. On that deck right there. Fantastic. Nice soft close cabinets. You got the gas fireplace. It's a gas stove. And here is the pantry. Really nice shelving in here. They've got the microwave hidden in here. You can choose to leave it in there or you can bring it out. Let's go in here. This is the primary bedroom. Again, great views, fantastic tray ceiling up there. I don't think the lighting is set up. Otherwise, I would have turned it on for you. But plenty of natural light coming in here. Really big, primary bedroom. And I really love this bathroom. It's not a huge bathroom, but check out the walk-in shower. Showers are my thing, and this one is fantastic. This is where the toilet's going to be, the throne room. And then here's your walk-in closet. Plenty of room in here. And then it's attached to the laundry room. Great idea. This right here is the half bath. They're not finished with it. Still got the plumber needs to come and put in all the toilets and all the fixtures. This is one of the guest bedrooms. I like that window. And here is the shared bathroom for the two bedrooms right here the second bedroom is right here. Look at the view from this one. Really nice. There'll be a house right there. As you can see, they're building it right now. Let's go check out the basement. Nice LVP floors in this house. I really like the colors that they chose. This is just a great use of the space. It's a walkout basement, so plenty of light in here, natural light. Nice bar area. I'll go show you the inside and then we'll go take a walk outside and show you the view from there. Here's one of the bedrooms down here. Oh, I'm sorry. There's not two bedrooms. There's only one. But here is the bathroom with a double vanity. This would be a great mother-in-law suite. She wouldn't have to share a bathroom with anybody. Have her nice, her own living room. Or, like I like to talk about, is teenagers. This would be a great place for a teenager. He could have his own bathroom in his own living room. This is the walkout basement. Of course, that dirt pile is not going to be there, but great view. Another great place to barbecue. Just really, really nice. Beautiful home. So there you go. We saw 3 really nice houses right here in the Johnston area. And so convenient to, the restaurants and the Grimesplex and grocery stores. Elementary schools are nearby, so really nice. So look, if you're thinking about moving to this area, I'd love to help. Love to meet you and give you a hand. So my contact information is going to be in the description. So I'd love to help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area.